Today's model is a Tim neck dress. But it's going to go down into the cleavage. And the hand will be the ballroom hand here. In this position, you can see there will be a waist unraveling, 2 pieces of waist, and road. I call this the fake heart button. We'll sew this together, but we're going to put button nuts in here. And this dress is going to be as long as the leg. This one is for my middle-aged sisters. Well, this one is made of London bucket silk fabric. It's all right to make the model. This dress we will. You need to have a measurement. The first is the shoulder measurement, neck measurement, chest measurement, waist measurement, and waist length measurement. And the length of the hips for the dress. Each person will have a different measurement. You will measure and use this metric to compute the formula. I share. It will be applicable for all different sizes. If you know how to measure, watch the next video. Measured on the channel. So now we're going to go into the design. I wish my sisters always happy and young. Remember to like and support the channel. Leave a comment, my sisters. Then we'll take the length of the dress. If you do this, you will reach your feet. It depends on the height. Please take the appropriate dress. Then we cross a line. I have a shoulder line. Shoulder is equal to shoulder. Dividing by 2 is equal to 32 divided by 2 is equal to 16. Then you take it from this corner. Taking over is equal to 16. Then lower it to 4 inches from here. You bag it down to 4. And then you get her and you divide her by 5. 30 divided by 5 is equal to 6, so we get 6. I float in. Then take the chest class. Chest class, you get breasts divided by 5 plus 2. 80 divided by 5 plus 2 is equal to 18. I took it from above and it was 18. Let's make a perpendicular line across. Then I'll take it across my chest. Is chest divided by 4 plus 2. 80 divided by 4 plus 2 is equal to 22. It is 22. Then the waist starts from the shoulder line. Top, ha! I took down a piece of waist comedy that is equal to 35. And then we'll build a perpendicular line. I'll take the waist level, which is equal to the waist divided by 4 plus 2. 80 divided by 4 plus 2. Sorry, ladies. 64 divided by 4 plus 2 is equal. The 18 I took was 18. And then we'll get a lower hip from top to bottom. You're going to lower your hips by 18. And a perpendicular line. And then you're going to take it by the hip. Divide by 4 sisters plus 1. 80 divided by 4 plus 1 is equal to 21. I took a line that was 21. Then I connected. Then you take the width of the skirt. Here I'm taking the width here is 38. Up to 45. I took it from by 8 to 45. Then we'll get the width of the skirt. And this part you're doing is perpendicular. Reverse to gasoline. Split in half again. And this neck is Tim's neck. Well, it goes down to the chest, so we're down too. So first you'll connect this down here. And then I'll share. Give me 2 glasses. And I'm going to get 3 more millimeters down here. Then we'll get the old part. The heart that it has is deep down. Then right here, we'll break up. From this point on, you can go up to me. Ah, for gasoline. This part of you up here is ba. So let's connect this too. And I will cut this part. 2 gasoline is broken. This one alone has a magnitude of 6 millimeters in total. The next thing I want to do is get 8 meters of gas. 8 petrol centimeter. Let's make a perpendicular line from the 9 waistline. And you take it down to 16. From here to here it's 16. Then from the middle you pull up. That's 4 millimeters from here. And then we'll draw the vertical one. The next thing is that this shirt will have a fake button. You will get the right color of the cloth. Dress girls out. You guys put the fake button in here. I ended the fake part. And then starting at the bottom of this line, it's going to get a little bit of sign. Then you cut it up, and it's 25 to me. 25 up to 32 gasoline. It depends on what you like. If we cut it high or low, we will cut it like this. If you cut this line, you will split the splints. And this dress, it's going to be a double skirt. You will have 2 pieces on your shirt. If you like to keep it open. In the chest. If you see meat here, you will cut it apart and we will sew 2 pieces. It will have a center line in the middle. If you want, we'll cut it off. That's it, for the body first. From here, you will have 2 tattoos. Then take it down and beat Russ 5 glasses. This part you will reduce to 1. In this part you will come out 1. Then we'll have the back. As body behind bigger as body before a cunt. But the back chest, it will be 1 inch smaller than the front breast. And here's the model. If you want to be first, it will be deep for the chest. For the back, if we wear it, you'll go down here. You'll cut the road inside. Then the body behind it will follow the red line. Here. And if you don't like the back of the body, then from here, you will beat me. I take this as 3 millimeters of gasoline. There are 2 ways of the body behind the neck. Then go to the red line. And we run out of space. Then we take the red line outside. And now I'm going to cut the incision. I'll cut the back neck on the red line. Then we'll get the body. Here. Body before. I just cut the back. I have not adjusted the back body. After you finish cutting, I will hide the waistline. And for the lower chest, there's a millimeter of gasoline. I dropped it before that. Then you will see. When I move, Arabic part raw front and back. Then we'll get the Arabic part like this. And then you're going to draw for the waist. This way you dress up. Then split it in half. Let's split it in two. Here's 16. And it's going to cut this road to for petrol. We'll draw the vertical one. And this will be the back. Later the sisters gave a body. And when we do the back body, then you will adjust for the body first. First, I'll wear the Tim neck later. And if you like it, you just have to. Come on, we'll cut this road. We don't cut deep. It's still the way it is different from the shallower neck. I cut the back cover. Out, there's the front flap line. Follow the blue line. If I cut the back of my body, I will follow this blue line. Then, here it is. After it's done, you will always cross this road. Okay, so this part of the waist is folded. Then we'll get the body. Next, I painted the hand. I'll measure the armpit on this hand. I can measure my armpit in front of me by 20. The back is 21. And now we're going to draw the sleeve. This sleeve is a long sleeve. And it's got this inflatability. So you're going to take the long sleeve part. This is for me 55 cubic meters of gasoline. I'm going to measure the length of the shirt, starting with the part. The head and shoulders are up to the back of the hand. And you add up, give me 5 more millimeters of gas, so that when we make our puffy sleeves constrict, it has a length up here. Excess to inflate. And then I'll take the lower chest. That's equal to chest divided by 10 plus 5. Here I am, 80, divided by 10 plus 5. I would be equal to 13. So you're going to measure a section from top to bottom. This segment is equal to 13 meters of gasoline. I built a perpendicular line. Then you'll take the first 20 armpits. The next two are the ones I measured earlier. So we're going to get 41 divided by 2, which is 2.5 points. I got here my bottom point. 20 points of the year I got it. And the first one is a 0 and split it in half. And you'll draw the armpit line. Up here 2 and down 1. And normally my sleeve. Normally we build a perpendicular line down. And this hand is that it will be breast drawn. So I'm going to add a paragraph. Double the part. Perpendicular again. And then you're going to tilt the voting. Hands out here. After this, you can go up to 4 millimeters of gasoline. If you're here, you will put your hands up. And this whole section we're going to cut. Hugging them back. When we cut them, we can remove them. It comes back with the door. The hand is 12 millimeters of gasoline. Here, we will draw the seat. It's the same as the door. If you like to hug, then we will adjust. It's equal to 11. This part you will bring in the seat. And this will be the bulging arm at the bottom. It's for luck. If you can cut this part, you will cut it. More. I'll cut another piece. Hands are here. This arm, you guys. Put this breast in the glue here, splint. It's 2.5. So this is the entire Arabic model today. I shared it with my sisters. A dress-style puffy sleeves. It's a little bit lower with the body. Oh yeah. Just finished sharing. If your sister has something she doesn't know or want to comment, then you can comment below. I'll see the comments. I will answer for my sisters. Hello. Goodbye and see you later.